We'll guide you through how to create digital art in Krita. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your desktop. Once it's loaded, go to the File menu at the top left and select New to start a new project. You'll see a dialog box where you can set up your canvas size. Choose your preferred dimensions and resolution, typically 300 dpi for print quality. Once you've set up your canvas, click Create to open it. Now, on the right side, you'll find the Layers panel. It's a good idea to start with a new layer for your sketches. Click the Add Layer button to create a new layer above the default background layer. Layers help you manage different parts of your artwork without affecting others. Next, go to the Brush Presets panel on the left. Krita offers a variety of brushes like pencils, inks, and paints. You can experiment with different brushes to see what suits your style. Select a brush and start sketching on your new layer. If you make a mistake, you can use the Undo button or press Ctrl+Z. Once you're happy with your sketch, it's time to add color. Create a new layer for coloring beneath your sketch layer. This way, you won't accidentally color over your sketch lines. Select the brush again, choose a color from the color wheel, and start filling in your artwork. You can also use the Fill tool for larger areas. To add depth, use different shades and blend them using the Smudge tool or Blur tool. When you're satisfied with your artwork, save it by going to File and selecting Save As. Choose your desired format like PNG or JPEG for sharing. Remember, Krita also allows you to save in its native format .kra, which preserves your layers for future editing. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.